Hey, welcome back to our Duolingo English Test Practice channel. Today I'm going to give you a comprehensive breakdown of the Read Then Speak task and share essential strategies to help you succeed. Let's start with the fundamental structure of this task. You'll be given a topic to speak about, and the timing is very specific. You get 20 seconds for preparation, and then your response time must be between 30 and 90 seconds. This is a single question that appears once per test session. Now let's dive into the scoring criteria, because understanding these is crucial for your success. The AI examiner evaluates 5 key components. First is content. They're looking at how relevant and complete your response is, along with your ability to structure ideas logically and include specific details and examples. Your response should have a clear progression and make an impact on the listener. The second component is fluency. This isn't just about speaking quickly. It's about maintaining natural pauses, minimizing filler words, and avoiding unnecessary repetition or hesitation. Think of it as finding that sweet spot between too fast and too slow. The third element is pronunciation. The examiners are listening for clear speech, proper articulation of syllables, and appropriate word and sentence stress. Your intonation pattern should sound natural and appropriate for English. Grammar is the fourth component, and it's quite comprehensive. You need to demonstrate your ability to use both simple and complex sentences, incorporate active and passive voice, and correctly use different verb tenses. Accuracy is key here. Small mistakes can add up. The fifth component is vocabulary. This isn't just about using big words. It's about showing range and appropriateness in your word choices. You should aim to avoid repetition and ensure your vocabulary choices feel natural and precise. Now let me share the essential strategies for success. First and foremost, stick to the topic. Your entire response should directly relate to the question asked. It's better to be focused and relevant than to drift off topic, even if you have interesting things to say. Second, express yourself fully. This means providing detailed explanations and examples that clearly demonstrate your thoughts. This approach gives you more opportunities to show your language skills while keeping your response organized and coherent. Third, pay special attention to grammar and vocabulary accuracy. Even minor errors can impact your score, so aim for precision in both areas. Fourth, focus on diversifying your vocabulary and expressions. Having alternative ways to express ideas shows linguistic flexibility and sophistication. Fifth, maintain strong fluency and pronunciation throughout your response. Clear articulation and natural flow are essential for a high score. Let's look at a concrete example. Here's a sample prompt. Do you think that social media has a positive or negative impact on people's mental health? And here's a model answer that demonstrates all these elements. Well, for this topic, I would like to explore the impact of social media on mental health. There's no denying that social media has become an integral part of our daily lives, and its influence on mental health is a topic of significant debate. On one hand, social media offers a platform for connection and communication that can be incredibly beneficial. It allows individuals to stay in touch with friends and family, regardless of geographical distance, and can provide a sense of community and belonging. However, the flip side of this coin is that social media can also take a toll on mental health. The constant comparison with others' carefully curated highlights can lead to feelings of inadequacy and low self-esteem. Additionally, the pressure to present a perfect life online can be a source of stress and anxiety. In my opinion, the impact of social media on mental health is multifaceted. It's crucial to use social media mindfully, setting boundaries on time spent online and seeking balance with offline interactions. Notice how this response demonstrates all the qualities we discussed. It's well-structured, uses varied vocabulary and grammar patterns, maintains clear focus, and presents a balanced argument with specific examples. That's all for today's DT practice video. If you found this comprehensive guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more test preparation content. Leave your questions in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, success in the Read Then Speak task comes with practice and careful attention to these criteria and strategies. Keep practicing and you'll see improvement in no time.